Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to block the front door opening because I want more wall space in my dining room. The thickness of the walls is 3/8 of an inch, so materials you can use would be 3/8 inch MDF, plywood, or foam board, which is what I am using. First, I'm taking the front door and tracing the outline of it on foam board, which you can find at most craft stores. After you cut it out, place it in the opening to make sure it's a fairly tight fit, and then glue it in place. I'm using Aleene's Tacky Glue. Be sure to wipe away any excess glue that seeps through the opening. I placed a board on the back side just to keep it from falling through the opening. Next, I'm using white wood filler that I got at Menards, and I'm just filling it in the space you can see. Use a putty knife or a credit card to wipe away the excess filler, and then do the same thing on the other side. After it dries, sand off the excess on both sides and sweep off the dust. And now I'm painting over the filler. Because the outside will be covered with stones and grout and the inside will be covered with wallpaper, I'm not overly concerned that you can still see where the opening was. If I was going to just paint the wall on the inside or outside, I'd add another layer of wood filler and sand it down again before painting it. This technique can be used to plug windows too if you're looking for more wall space. Also, I know quite a few people don't use the staircases in their houses, so that would be another spot that you can plug before you put down the flooring. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thanks for watching.